Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So recently I had applied for Russian visa through MakeMyTrip and it was very hassle free and it was very easy. So I thought let me make a video for it, and especially for the non-metro city people it will be really helpful. Those who are in a metro city, they have the embassy, you can do a walk-in, you can take an appointment, just submit your documents there, you will get it easy. But for the non-metro city people who wants to travel to Russia, for the visa purpose you have to do a by post. As you know that Russia at the moment is inviting Indians for tourism max to max for 30 days. I'm gonna take you through the documents what you require, how did I apply through MakeMyTrip, how much cost it was, how long it took to reach my passport back to me with my stamping. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, let me tell you, you have to make sure what is the date you're gonna travel. So I had planned that September 10th to 9th. Initially they used to give you at least 30 days, but now it's not like that. So you have to make sure about the dates you want to travel and come back to India. For the second one, you require is the hotel invitation, which will be in Russia. So for that I have given the link below, you can check that out. All you require to enter in that details would be is the dates you're gonna traveling and the cities you're gonna be visiting and the hotel which you're gonna be staying. Hotel you can check on in the Google or booking.com and just enter those details. You don't require any confirmation on your hotel booking at the moment. You can change it later also, that's okay. This is only for the visa purpose. Third one you require is the photo. So they have a prescribed description for the photo requirement. I'll link that details also in the below. So please do check that. 3.5 into 4.5 I think. So you have to make sure that it is precisely being correct. Fourth one is the Russian application. For that you require to input all the details which already I have given, is the dates and the hotel confirmation, where you're gonna staying and all that detail, and the Russian invitation which you got, what the code and all that will be given in that, so that you can accommodate the same thing in the application. And that's it, it's ready. So your documents are clear. Let me tell you, this is only for the person who are applying less than 15 days. In case you want to stay beyond 15 to 30 days, for them you need to submit your hotel confirmation, that you can take it from booking.com. And the second thing, you can take a dummy or the booked flight tickets for Russia, that also you can submit. So this is the two requirements extra you need to, and plus if you can give a itinerary also, that will be great, that will be really helpful. Now let's open MakeMyTrip app in your phone. So I already have got my app here open. So now I'll just go ahead and click on the visa service. You will get the next page where you can see Russia. On this page you can give dates which already you would have planned for. So I'm randomly giving here as October 22nd to 29 and done. Then you can see how many travelers. If you're traveling alone you can put one, or if you're traveling with your family members, so you can put accordingly. Apply. And on this page you can see that they recommend a single entry visa for, and this will take 12 to 15 days of working day, and this cost around 11,776, and continue. And here in this document page where you have to give your given name, surname, age, gender, and if your other travelers are accompanying you, like your spouse or girlfriend or boyfriend or your kids, you can give accordingly. You can keep adding on the add other travelers. So here on the add document and fill form, you require to give your identity and visa application form. For the identity you have to give your passport back information and front side of your passport information. Once the identity requirement is done, option of fill visa form. For the application form, here in this you have to update your given name, surname, date of birth, gender, nationality, passport number, passport issue date, passport expiry date, passport issuance number, the place where you issued. So for me it is Bangalore, so or you're from Trivandrum, you can give it from there. Departure date, the date of entry in Russia, and the arrival date of exit from Russia. So all these details you need to give there, and save form and submit. You'll get a payment page where you can just do your payment. That's it. You'll get a notification in your personal email ID, and this will be captured in your upcoming trip details in MakeMyTrip. So once the submission is done in MakeMyTrip, You'll get a call from MakeMyTrip concerned person, maybe within 2 to 3 days, and he will let you know what are the documents you require to send by post. Of course, they will send you a mail with the required documents and the address you have to do by post. If you ask me which service I should opt, either you can go for Blue Dart or Speed Post. They are really good. It'll within 1 to 2 days they will get the your documents and they can start processing your application. And of course, you have to keep in mind that it will take at least 12 to 15 days. Once the MakeMyTrip person receives your documents, they will email you confirming that they have received. Once the application has submitted to the embassy, they will inform you on that. Once you have received your confirmed visa stamping, they will inform you on that through mail, send you through post. They will send everything with the detail of the tracking number as well. And I got my passport in this big cover in the MakeMyTrip envelope, and it was very safe, and it was really good to see my visa stamped on my renewed passport, and I was very happy to see this. Probably I will definitely place a lot of visa requirement through MakeMyTrip in the future because it has not disappointed me at all. So if this video was informative, you can share this with your friends, and if you're planning for your future trip to Russia, you can refer this video, as this is gonna be like really helpful. In case if you have any doubts, you can comment me and I'll reply you as soon as possible, or you can DM me to my Instagram. I would be able to help you. That's it. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, please like, share, subscribe, so that I can come up with a lot of videos like this in future. So that till then, bye bye.